Who's buying who?
O'Reilly's is
Buying NAPA?
wanting to buy NAPA.
Interesting, because I don't see these as the same.
The parent company of NAPA Auto Parts, which is Genuine Parts Company, GPC, they have an industrial arm and an auto arm. And they've been talking about wanting to split those up. O'Reilly apparently has heard about that and has put in a bid. We don't know the exact details, but we know it is at least $10 billion. They're trying to separate that out and make NAPA Auto Parts more of a standalone auto parts store.
That market's kind of saturated. I don't know. The nice part about NAPA is when I know if there's a part, I don't even have to look on O'Reilly's website and I know they're not going to have it. I have better than even odds finding it at NAPA.
Yeah.
And if that benefit to NAPA disappears, that they're just the same supply chains as O'Reilly's.
Or maybe it's the other way. Maybe they're wanting to acquire
supply chains.
NAPA's supply chains.
Yeah, I know O'Reilly bought Checker Auto a while back.
We used to work at O'Reilly.
Yeah, I did. I worked at O'Reilly's not that long after they bought Checker.
I've had hit or miss experiences with NAPA. I've pretty much consistently had good experience at O'Reilly.
NAPA, I notice because they're commercial primary, they like sell a lot of their stuff commercial. You could walk in and buy stuff from the counter, but the guys at the counter are generally significantly more knowledgeable than the guys at O'Reilly's.
In the O'Reilly store, those employees are significantly more knowledgeable than the toddlers working at AutoZone.
I know. Your local AutoZone has screwed you so many more times than you've ever gotten a reasonable part from them.
I don't know what this will mean as far as acquisition goes. Mm-hmm. The details are still unfolding. Apparently, they'll have some sort of deal by the end of the summer. We'll see what that looks like. As long as I still don't need to step foot in an AutoZone, that's all I care about.
That's the goal. If I need fuses, maybe I can get fuses at AutoZone.
I wouldn't count on it.
I think that NAPA has a broader selection of less common parts and a little bit higher tier of knowledge behind the counter. Those are the two like standout things about NAPA. O'Reilly's seems like your old reliable, where you go, it's convenient, you're going to get probably what you need. AutoZone is where you go if you just hate yourself.
Not AutoZone fans here, but yeah, that's interesting. I wonder what'll come of it.